Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best robot vacuums in 2021. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for a budget robot vacuum that performs the core functions for added convenience or a more premium option with automatic dirt disposal that empties itself for the ultimate convenience, I'll have the product for you. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Eufy RoboVac 11S. This is a great budget robot vacuum. The Eufy RoboVac may not be a household name like Shark and iRobot, but for around $220, I think the Boost IQ RoboVac 11S is an excellent budget option for those looking for that added convenience of having a robot vacuum to share some of the cleaning chores. And what I really like about the 11S is that you still get some impressive premium features even at this price, which really sets it apart from other budget robot vacuums out there. The super slim, low-profile design is only 2.85 inches high, so it easily glides under furniture, but still produces an impressive 1,300 pascals of strong suction to efficiently pick up dirt, dust, and debris around your space. It has multiple cleaning modes, including the Boost IQ suction mode, which kicks in automatically when needed to handle tough messes, plus has a preset vacuuming time, so the whole cleaning process is pretty automated, especially with the easy-to-use set-and-forget cleaning with the included remote. With up to 100 minutes per charge, you should get a pretty complete cleaning job on low to medium pile carpets, tile, laminated, and hardwood floors. It comes with a large 0.6-liter dust box, so it can collect more dirt, reducing the frequency of having to empty it. The 11S uses an array of IR sensors so it can navigate rooms and helps it avoid obstacles and uses drop sensing tech to avoid falling down stairs or ledges, so you won't need to monitor the cleaning, freeing up valuable time so you can get on with other things, or even do nothing at all. And of course, once the 11S is finished or running low on battery, it automatically returns back to the charging base, so it'll be charged and always ready to go. While it lacks the sophistication of mapping your room, the Eufy instead ping-pongs across the room until every corner is clean, rather than follow a specific path. The Eufy RoboVac 11S is really a lean, mean cleaning machine that does a great job of keeping your space clean, and I think it's the best option for those looking for their first robot vacuum at an affordable price. The 4th product on our list is the Shark IQ Robot XL. This is a great robot vacuum for the money. The Shark IQ Robot XL takes the convenience of automated cleaning to the next level for around $430. And although it's almost double the price of the Eufy, having the self-empty and self-cleaning brush roll features is definitely going to appeal to a lot of people. It empties itself into the base, so you can forget about having to empty it out for up to 30 days. The bagless self-emptying base holds up to a month of dirt and debris before needing to empty it. The Shark IQ has exceptional suction power that's comparable to even some uprights, so you'll be really impressed by how it sucks up even large debris, leaving your floors completely free of dust, debris, and even dog hair. But it is a little on the noisier side. Pet owners will really love the self-cleaning brush roll, which automatically removes pet hair as it cleans, so it won't wrap around the roll. It also uses multi-stage filtration to capture dust, dander, and allergens to keep your space fresher and clean. The Shark maps your home and lets you choose which rooms to clean, which offers a huge advantage over standard robot vacuums like the Eufy, and uses IQ navigation so it cleans row by row, room to room for complete coverage rather than the ping-pong navigation. It comes with 8 feet of magnetic strips that you can use to block off areas where you don't want the robot to clean. It comes with built-in Wi-Fi and works with both Alexa and Google Assistant, giving you hands-free convenience, and the app is pretty easy to use for setting up automated schedules. You get about 90 minutes of cleaning time on a single charge, but if it runs out of juice or the dustbin fills up during the cleaning, it returns to the station to recharge or to empty itself, and then it resumes cleaning. The Shark IQ Robot XL offers many of the great features found on the premium Roomba S9 Plus, including the self-empty base, but at about half the cost, so for the money, I think the Shark IQ is the best robot vacuum around. The 3rd product on our list is the iRobot Roomba i7 Plus. This is our best overall robot vacuum for most people. The Roomba i7 Plus robot vacuum offers great features and solid cleaning performance for around $600 and is a more affordable option to its premium Roomba i9 Plus sibling, so I think the i7 Plus is going to appeal to most people. Although it's just slightly older, the Roomba i7 Plus still outperforms many of the newer robot vacuums out there, and when you break it down, you're not really missing out on any major features of the latest and greatest i9 Plus, other than some incremental improvements here and there. And like the Shark IQ Robot XL, the i7 Plus not only cleans up after you, but also cleans up after itself with its clean base automatic dirt disposal, but can empty itself for up to 60 days, which doubles the Shark, and the app will notify you when it's time to empty the disposable vacuum bag. The i7 Plus also really shines when it comes to room mapping with its V-SLAM navigation that gathers over 230,400 data points per second, so it learns the layout of your home and builds personal smart maps for more thorough cleaning and efficient row-by-row cleaning. The Roomba app is pretty comprehensive, letting you customize routines and customize maps with keep-out zones rather than using physical magnetic strips, giving you complete control of how and when it cleans your home. You even get personalized cleaning suggestions based on past cleanings, so you can stay ahead of messes. It also works with Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can quickly target specific areas like in front of the couch or under the dining room table with a simple voice command. The i7 Plus has a premium 3-stage cleaning system and dual rubber brushes that provide powerful cleaning performance with 1800 pascals of suction power. You'll get about 75 minutes of cleaning time, and if it's running low on battery, the i7 Plus will recharge itself, then resume cleaning where it left off. The Roomba i7 Plus may not be the latest and greatest from iRobot, but for most people, I think the i7 Plus is definitely the best option with premium features and a more affordable price than the i9 Plus. The second product on our list is the Ecovacs Deebot Osmo T8 AIVI. This is our best wet and dry robot vacuum. The Ecovacs Deebot Osmo T8 AIVI is a 2-in-1 vacuum/mop hybrid, and for about $800, you'll get the convenience of having your floors vacuumed and also mopped. It's feature-rich and comes with AI and visual interpretation, also known as AIVI, that automatically identifies and avoids obstacles. You also get a nifty feature called Visual Butler that lets you view live video of your home from wherever you are, like a built-in security camera, making the Osmo T8 AIVI more like a 3-in-1. Now when it comes to robot vacuums, the Osmo is on the bigger side, but the 3.6-inch height should be short enough to fit under most furniture. Its mapping and navigation capabilities are quite extensive, with a number of sensors including the AIVI sensor that uses AI and the integrated camera to recognize things like power cords, clothes, and toys that typically get in the way. It builds a database of objects to avoid, so you're going to find its performance work better over time. You can use the Ecovac Home app to control the Osmo, as well as program various features and cleaning modes. Plus, it works with both Alexa and Google Assistant to even incorporate the cleaning into your smart home routines or use voice commands. Overall, the vacuuming performance is top-notch, and you'll get up to an impressive 200 minutes of cleaning time on a full charge, making it ideal for larger homes. Of course, what sets the Osmo apart from the traditional robot vacuums is its mopping capabilities, but it doesn't stop there. While many vacuum and mop hybrids can only vacuum or mop at a time, with the Osmo, you can vacuum, sweep, and mop simultaneously, cutting down on the cleaning time. It comes with a 240 milliliter water tank, which should cover about 2,000 square feet of mopping, and the Osmo mopping system supports 4 levels of precise water control for your various mopping needs. The Ecovacs Deebot Osmo T8 AIVI is an enticing 2-in-1 vacuum and mop hybrid for anyone that not only wants the convenience of automated vacuuming and mopping in one feature-rich appliance. The first product on our list is the Roomba S9 Plus. This is our best high-end robot vacuum. Although the Shark and the Roomba i7 Plus both offer a completely hands-off experience with automatic dirt disposal that empties itself, for around $1,000, the Roomba S9 Plus is the latest and greatest from iRobot, and I think when it comes to the ultimate convenience and performance of a robot vacuum, it leaves the other two in the dust. The S9 Plus is definitely the best you can get. Unlike previous Roombas, including the i7 Plus that are circular in design, the Roomba S9 Plus has a capital D-shaped design that lets it get into deep corners and align itself against walls better, so you get a more thorough cleaning job. The S9 Plus also offers other advantages, including a slower spinning side brush, so it's able to better pull in debris. The brushless roller is also much wider and now located in front of the Roomba for more optimal cleaning. Plus, you'll find the i9 Plus has stronger suction, making it better for cleaning on both carpet and hard surfaces. For carpets, the i9 Plus uses the same 3-stage cleaning system that lifts, loosens, then eliminates debris and pet hair from your carpets, giving you full house cleaning. The self-emptying bin works pretty much like on the i7 Plus, so when it's docked, the dirt collected is automatically sucked into the clean base, which holds up to 60 days of dirt. It uses proprietary allergen lock dust bags, and you'll get notified on your app when it's time to swap out for a new one. It uses the same best-in-class navigational technology and mapping software, which intelligently maps and cleans an entire level of your home by capturing over 230,400 data points per second to optimize coverage. The S9 Plus works with the iRobot Home app, Google Home, or Alexa Voice Assistant. So if you've left a little mess in the kitchen, just ask Google or Alexa to clean it up. Now keeping your space clean is really effortless. So if you're looking for the best robot vacuum around, I think the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus is definitely one of the strongest, most autonomous robot vacuums around, giving you a truly hands-free cleaning experience. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.